You're watching Dancehall and News TV. Please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you will be notified of new videos when they are uploaded. And now the news. The holiday season is filled with a mixture of sentiments for many of us, even if they are kept hidden. For some persons, there are disappointments and past sufferings, along with the excitement that comes with December. For Christopher George Palmer, or Mr. Lex, Christmas always reminds him of a time when he had nothing growing up in East Kingston. I remember that Christmas vividly. One Christmas way before me and my mother were sitting down in the yard and all of the children were in the yard all dressed up to go out or playing in their new clothes. I was one of the only ones in the whole community that never dress up for Christmas because I didn't have any of that, Mr. Lex told the Star. That moment was so emotional for Mr. Lex and his mother, that words were the furthest things from their mouths. We had nothing in the house, we didn't have any gifts or new clothes. We sat there looking at each other until the both of us just burst into tears. We could not stop crying, he said. But in the midst of sadness, Mr. Lex learned about giving and the power of the love, so much that he continues to make an effort to get involved or do a charitable deed each year. It is a joy for me to give back, and that is a big part of my career. 'Tis the season, so why not give? It's also a good feeling to see how children appreciate the smallest tokens. Mr. Lex is the father of 9 children, and said that especially as Christmas approaches, the wishes are coming in and he will have to ensure that these are fulfilled. The hardest ones to please, he said, would be the teenagers, although his children are mostly overseas. The artiste is never really away from home during the holidays, but this Christmas, Mr. Lex leaves for Europe where he will stay for a month and a half. I know I won't be having a normal Christmas, as it will be my first time experiencing a European Christmas and I have no idea what to expect, he said. I usually like to enjoy rum cakes, sorrel, and a nice piece of ham. His mother will be missing him throughout the period, but she understands that I am looking forward to this trip, he said. Thanks for watching Dancehall and News TV. Please remember to subscribe, like and share. Until the next video, be safe.